Hello everyone, welcome to Samvad, an initiative by School of Corporate Innovation and Leadership, wherein we invite institutional leaders of MIT ADT University to share their views with us. In this series, today we have with us Dr. Kishore Ravande sir, who is Principal MIT School of Engineering as well as Dean Research and Consultancy MIT ADT University. On behalf of the entire team of SCIL, I welcome you, sir,
Thank
to
you.
this series. Sir, with your vast experience of 38 years, I would request you to throw some light on what are the important skills, apart from technical skills, that are very much essential for the students to become professionals.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Absolutely. No, just learning something in a classroom and getting a degree and grades in the subject is not adequate enough and good enough for you to get into a job or any business, because the world is full of competition and one has to have the various skills
Yes, sir.
in order to be a successful.
True, very true, sir.
As far as colleges are concerned, the teachers do give you the lessons in the domain areas, the technical areas, or whichever degree you are pursuing. But then, what is very important is that you must explore yourself in terms of what kind of personality you are.
True, very
And
true.
maybe all of us are not born persons having good communication skills, having good behavioral skills. All of us may not be having enough opportunity to explore ourselves in terms of our logical ability, in terms of our critical thinking, in terms of our analytical ability, and so on and so forth. Therefore, while we succeed in our domain areas of subjects very well, it is not necessary that we are in a good position or we are in a position to solve the problems that come across.
True.
Now, School of Corporate Innovation and Leadership is making all its effort to train our students in terms of their communication skills, improving their communication skills, in terms of their behavioral skills, in terms of their aptitude skills, where their logical thinking, their analytical ability, critical thinking is developed far beyond.
Yes.
And it is important that students do attend these coaching classes or to attend these classes where students are being trained, because whenever you go to an interview, it is not just the subject knowledge that is being tested, but your approach to solve a particular problem is under scrutiny.
True, sir.
And a problem or a puzzle is given to you in an interview. Maybe you are not necessary in a given time, you need not solve that puzzle to its logical conclusion,
Yes.
but your interviewer will look at you whether you have an ability to approach to the solving of puzzle in a right direction.
Exactly.
And this ability you can develop only when you have gone through these skills, which I said is the logical reasoning or aptitude skills or critical thinking or analytical ability, whatever
Yes,
it is.
yes, yes.
So that would help you really in solving any real life problem, real time problem
True, sir.
that come across during your what you call career, or when you are appearing for interviews, or when you are seeking to secure some success in your life. So I think that's very important for all of you. And communication skills are improved by reading newspapers or magazines, etc. But oral communication and written communication both are very important,
True, sir.
and for both of them need to be improved by your practice. And SCIL is one organization at MIT ADT campus which will channelize all your skills in a right direction
True.
so as to make you a winning personality.
True. In
Thank you.
fact, to adding on to your point, sir, it is not about only getting a job, but to sustain as well as excel in it.
Excel, yes.
So for which
Yeah,
we
yeah,
all are
obviously,
striving.
obviously, it's
Yes.
not getting only job, but
Yeah.
also running through and getting elevated to the topmost position
Exactly.
and should. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir, for your inspiring
Thank
words.
you,
I
thank you,
wish
thanks a
and
lot.
hope that students will gain the maximum out of the SCIL trainings that we are being providing. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.